Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking the case off your phone and turning it inside out when you can. This exposes the inner lip where dirt hides. Rinse under lukewarm water while rubbing with a few drops of mild dish soap to loosen oils. Use a soft toothbrush on seams and around the camera opening because silicone traps grime there. Once done, shake off excess water and set the case on a towel. Do not use heat. That can warp the silicone. Now attack stubborn marks. Make a mild paste with 1 part baking soda and 2 parts water. It lifts stains without roughing the silicone. Apply the paste, let it sit 2-3 minutes, then scrub gently with the toothbrush in circular motions. For tight creases, use a cotton swab. For ink or grease, dab a little rubbing alcohol. First test on a hidden area to make sure color won't fade. Once the spots come up, rinse thoroughly to remove residue and paste. You finish by rinsing the case until the water runs clear. Any leftover soap or paste can leave a film. Then place the case upright on a lint-free towel and let it air dry completely. Do not use direct sun or a hair dryer because heat can deform the silicone. Once dry, inspect the edges and camera hole and reinstall your phone. Troubleshooting tip. If a greasy residue remains after one wash, repeat the process with a degreasing dish soap and a second rinse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.